What do you got going on in here?
I got this big logging chain. I'm gonna repair it. The link had been busted. It was still together, but it was dangerous. So I'm gonna put these cold shuts into the link system here. And see, this hook is designed to go around a log like this. It's called a choker. So, pretty stout chain. It's a 1/2-inch link, I believe. So I'm going to try to get this cold shut to close on it. Never easy. I need to do a video on this sawmill. We're tearing it apart, lengthening it, and making it stronger. I'm gonna have all these supports in there to keep it true, vertical. So yesterday we did some dirt work here, prepped for potatoes. So what we did is we put a little composted chicken manure and fish oil guts and stuff like that. Put it all in there, getting ready for the red potatoes. We plant President's Day, February. So here we have sweet peas, or sugar snaps is what they are. That's on. Electric fence is on. Go ahead and test it.
No, thank you.
These are 10-15 onions, and we got some garlic from the jumbo garlic from the grocery store. We planted those in October, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
So they've had a good little run, and then I'm going to start the case tractor. Hadn't been started in a while. And the sawmill's out of commission, you know. So it'll be a while. We're disconnected from the sawmill, so I can't hurt nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this thing will start. With our sawmill all being tore up, we don't have anything to do. So I started the case. Now this is a 53 ton and a half Chevrolet. It's a dump truck. This bed actually dumps. But we don't want to do that right now because it got hay in it. Well, I guess we could do it.
No, we don't need to.
Okay.
Do it next time.
So it's got a manual choke. And these are the controls for the bed. One of them runs the BTO, which runs a hydraulic pump, and the other is the valve. So we're in neutral. Emergency brake on. Uh-oh. That's the solenoid. I need to replace it. Yeehaw! Unlock the door. It doesn't have a lock.
Kissing Bug likes the 53 Chevrolet. Ooh. Found it.
road here. When you take off, I get a picture of this dash. It's 1953 dash. We'll pull that out at some point. There's the glove compartment. That's where the cigarette goes. Look, it's got a locking glove compartment. That is heater, cigarette, and
What's that? On and off.
that
Lights?
probably. I think this is. I think this is windshield wipers. I don't know what it is. It might be backup lights.
You better get some gas in it. It's almost empty.
All right, so push the clutch in all the way.
Wait, I can't remember what's the clutch.
The left side. I think you pull that down right there. It's first gear. And give it a little gas. Don't get in a big hurry. Give it more gas. Give it more gas.
Go that way?
I don't care.
I'm scared too.
All right, we're underway
Where are we going?
to the pole barn. All right, what we could do is show them how the bed works. We don't have to go all the way up with it.
Yeah. Drop off the hay?
Yeah, we can drop it off at the pole barn.
Okay.
All right. Let's see. Start the pump, camera girl. You got the clutch in. Pulling out. That engages the PTO. Okay. Let it out. Hold on. Okay, let it out. Yep.
All the way out?
Okay. I'm gonna back up, and this one right here is gonna actuate it.
Do I take the clutch all the way out?
You can leave the clutch out now.
Okay.
And then what you're gonna do is just watch it, and when after it slides off, you can come back down with it. You just push it in.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Give it a little gas. Are you scared? Keep coming. All right.
Put it down.
Hold on. There's the pump. There's the ram. That's what it looks like underneath. All right, you will go ahead and drop it. Push in on it. Push it all the way in. Yep. That it's because it's hydraulics code. It's not going to just flop down on us. Can you put it in first gear and pull forward?
So we were gonna go get the tractor to push it down, and as we were driving down to the house, it started coming down on its own. They probably didn't get in a hurry in 1953.
Everybody on cell phone
Yep. No cell phones and computers.
It's a beast. tell you what doesn't work. The backup rear camera. It don't work. When we get the sawmill going, we'll run this walnut log through it. It's almost a year old now. I knocked all the bark off of it because of the bugs. That's black walnut right there. Thanks for watching.